Hello guys, it's just hi, good morning everyone. It's 2:29 a.m. When I got removed this one, you know what? I have this and I tried to comb my hair. This is one that I've got. Look, it was Koto. OMG, talaga promise. It's just only 20 pieces for now. I don't know the other. So itchy. Look here. Here. You see it? You see it? Here. Oh, just from 21. I don't think that for that for this bonnet that I should get some of more Koto. That's why it was so itchy my hair, and I thought it was just blackheads, and now I think it's not should be. Yun yung time na nagsusuklay ka pero wala ka nakukuha. Pero when the time na ito, binigay ni madam sa akin, ay Diyos ko, araw-araw nangangati ulo ko. Parang there's someone's inside. Oh, here. There's someone's inside in the bonnets. That's why it's so itchy. There's a lot of Koto here. OMG. I don't want to use that anymore. Maybe if could make laba wash. Madam calls me again. When I transfer the money on my account to the Philippines, it was failed. I will transfer it to my Kabayan OFW BDO account. And tomorrow, maybe, that was our results. And a while ago, we'll go to the